Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make YouTube thumbnails in Affinity Photo in 2026. So if you want to create eye-catching thumbnails that get more clicks and views, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, open Affinity Photo official website or launch the app on your PC. Once it opens, you'll see the main editing workspace. Next, click New Document and set the size to 1280 by 720 pixels. So this is the recommended YouTube thumbnail size. Now import your photos or background images into the project. Bright colors and clear subjects usually make thumbnails more eye-catching. So yeah, remove unwanted backgrounds and apply effects like shadows, glow, or blur. This helps your thumbnail stand out more. Next, use the text tool to add bold readable text. Short titles with large fonts work best for YouTube thumbnails. Finally, click File and then Export to save your thumbnail as JPG or PNG. So now your thumbnail is ready to upload to YouTube. And that's how to make thumbnails in Affinity Photo in 2026. Once you learn layers, text, and effects, creating professional thumbnails becomes much easier. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more photo editing tutorials.